All right, this is Greg again here at Underground Graphics. We're going to show you guys a real quick install. We've had a lot of requests for the back window graphic for the JT Gladiator. You know, I've got the On the Rocks kit on my vehicle, so I've got one available with the US flag with the On the Rocks kit there at the bottom of it. These are going to be cut on Decal 651, so this is your standard vinyl. Typically it's a wet install. I find that as long as the glass is cool, it's clean, we can do this dry. You just got to kind of be quick with it. If you're uncomfortable with that, you can do that wet. It's just going to be, again, just a drop of soap with a water mixture in a spray bottle. I have already wiped this down with alcohol and the microfiber. This is ready to go. Yeah, let's get started. Again, these are going to be cut exactly to fit. I'm assuming that trim is going to be a little different for everyone's, but I've got a little bit of give in there, so that will fit just right in there. Tools, you're going to have that squeegee. Since this is mask, you can use that hard edge. If you take the mask off, remember, go back, use that microfiber around the edge of that hard so you don't scratch the vinyl. What we're going to do here is peel back just the top half of this, just a little bit on the top. And use that hard edge, give yourself a crease right there. And that's going to give us our tack right at the top. We're going to go ahead and place that down in the bottom. Squeegee up top. You kind of want to be kind of quick with this because you don't want those air bubbles to set. If you do get an air bubble in it, don't worry about it. You can use a pen or an X-Acto blade to pop those out. Again, don't let this drop and touch. We're going to hold that off the glass and work our way down. Overlapping strokes. That's really it. Now we just got to find a corner to peel from. And there you go. These are going to be based on matte black. You can get these in any color, but again, obviously being a back window graphic, I think that looks best in matte black, but again, we do whatever you want us to do. So hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you guys have any questions, just give us a call, shoot us an email. Thank you.